So I want to show you how to make an arm sling this way. So for the arm sling, mostly used for the lower arm injury, and what you want to do is put the hand in that area. That's the most comfortable position. And after doing that, what you want to do is you want to maintain this hand in that position using the triangular bandage. So in this, you put the bandage that way and let it go under the hand. And one thing you need to understand is apex will always be at the elbow. Then have the bandage on the other side as shown here. Then you want to make a knot at the end like that. And then once you're done with the knot, you will come at the elbow where you want to secure it. So in securing, you can use the pins or you can just fold it like this as shown here. You fold and then you just tuck in. Any of that method can work. Then after that, what you need to do is you want to leave the fingers out so that you can keep on assessing for circulation. And at the end, you need a swath where it is used to secure the hand in that position. Securing the hand in that position. And after you're done securing with the swath, then you can transport this patient to the hospital. At the end, and this how it's supposed to look like. Just to look like this. Yes, that is the swath is immobilizing this hand. It cannot move.